Greetings, the siren just went off. We're right on the outskirts, in the middle of the road. All the cars are there.
When the siren goes off.
What you have to do is just stay away from the cars in case there's anything left, any debris or something. The missile thing, something like that, so the vehicles can get damaged, the windows can break. Look, back there is the police too. You can't hear the siren here because we're far from the cities, we're on a highway. There are some cars that just keep going, honestly, which isn't responsible. And that's the problem, that sometimes there are casualties or people get hurt because people don't obey. They just don't obey. Well, we're waiting for now. You can hear a bit of noise there. That means something was intercepted above. It's like you can feel a vibration. You can hear it there. You can hear it there. I don't know if you can hear it. People are nervous. The lady here is nervous. Poor thing. And now what we have to do is wait, because the pieces of what broke up there could fall down here.
Well,
Not here. It lands in a specific spot because we have police.
Well,
We keep going. That's what we have to do. Unfortunately, that's what we have to do. I'll be honest. This is exhausting. It's exhausting. It's exhausting, honestly. It's exhausting. Take care. Bye, everyone.